Right, in a second I'm going to give you a review of Evergreen Lead Machine, or ELM for short. Now, this is a viral list building tool, and you can also earn a lot of recurring income. Now, before we dive right in, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll get straight to it. Now, an Evergreen Lead Machine. This is the creation of a guy called Andrew Newman. Now, I asked Andrew what his background was, and he said he's actually the head of customer education. I work with the product development and design team. This is over at ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is huge, okay, and it's very successful. So Andrew knows how to get a decent product together, and he certainly knows about funnels, converting funnels. Now, Evergreen Lead Machine, you drive traffic to a squeeze page that they give you. Okay, this is one of the squeeze pages. They are bringing out more, and they bring out more funnels, etc. But this is the main one we have to use at the moment. So you drive traffic to this, people opt in. They're met with a video sales page like this. Again, this is changing as I speak now. They're redoing the video, adding testimonials, etc. Okay, so then once they opt in, they log into the back office. Now, to unlock your back office, you have to invite 3 people. This is where the viral list building comes in. Okay, so you share your link. You need 3 active members. Now, an active member is somebody who's confirmed their email address. It's double opt-in. All right, so while you're unlocking your dashboard, the person who referred you gets your leads until you've unlocked your dashboard. You've had 3 people confirm, and then you can add your Aweber ID, and then all your leads get added to your list from now on. Okay. Now, you do have to unlock levels. They call it levels. I wish they'd call it something else. This is not multi-level marketing, okay? So you unlock level 1 by inviting 3 people. Okay, so then you add once you've unlocked level 1, you add your Aweber ID. You can choose to get Elm Connect, or you can choose to order clicks. Now, Elm Connect, that is where they're generating all their money. This is where the revenue share part of it comes in. Okay, you can actually get a percentage of the revenue generated through not only Elm Connect, but also through people order the leads, order traffic. Okay, so they are still building this out. In part 2 of this review, I will go over the tools and how you'll be able to generate $1,000 commissions just from this Elm Connect. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic suite of tools, very powerful, and on the big ticket items, they close the deals for you. I'll go in that in part 2 of this review. So once you've invited some more people, you've got on level 1 lots, you've got your 3 active people in, you can join a program called My Lead Gen Secret, and you add your ID in here. Now, My Lead Gen Secret, this is another lead generation system. I joined this last year. This is my account. Let me scroll down. So far I've earned $6,609. This is optional, okay? You do not have to join this. It is $30 a month, but it is optional. Now, if you invite 3 more people, so you've got 6 active members, 6 people confirm their email address, you can unlock level 2. And this is a program called 12-Minute Affiliate. Now, you do not have to join this. You can just add in your ClickBank ID. Okay, you just get yourself what I call a ClickBank account, add your ID, and if anybody you refer wants to join, you get the commission. Okay, It is actually a fantastic program. You get 80 follow-up emails you can just upload to your Aweber account and forget about. So it's and they promote not only 12-minute affiliate but other highly converting offers to your list on autopilot. But again, it is optional. And once you've unlocked level 3, which you have to invite, have 9 active members, so 9 people hit the confirm their email address, you can just, there's nothing to buy here. You can get a free vacation. All right, so you just fill that in, send it off, and choose your destination where you want to go, and you get a free vacation. All right, and that's all there is to it. It's a viral list building machine with recurring income opportunities built in. Plus, you can get a share of the profits of Evergreen lead machine. Okay, and those are dished out on the 15th of every month. All right, for those who are qualifying. Now, to qualify to get into those commissions, you have to invite 100 people. So that's 100. Basically, people have hit the confirmation link in their email. Right, let me just take you, show you some results people will be getting that I've posted in the group. This is the Evergreen Lead Machine Facebook group. Congratulations. That's Elm Click commissions. That's commission from somebody who's actually bought the Elm traffic package. Again, that's another Elm Click commission. Another traffic package sold. Let's look. Elm Connect commission. That's a recurring commission now from the Elm Connect package. That's me. That's an Elm Connect commission, a recurring commission. That's me. Where I've got a Aweber sign up. Another one, I got 4 in the week. All recurring income. It's people welcoming all the new teammates. It's quite a very active group. There's a lot of support. An Elm Connect, an Elm Click commission again there. Another Elm Connect commission. Another Elm Click commission there. So as you can see, there's just constant, another Elm Connect commission there. They're just constantly people getting results with this. Now, in part 2, I'll go over how the tools of Elm Connect, how you can earn those $1,000 commissions, and everything else. But if you've got enough information, get joined up below. Invite your first 3 people, unlock your dashboard, and start earning those recurring income, those recurring commissions. All right. 'Cause you're a believer.